Welcome to Neutronpay. In this video, I will guide you through the key features and benefits available to you with Neutronpay. After creating your account, you will gain access to a dual currency wallet, one for your local currency and one for Bitcoin. Switching between local currency and Bitcoin is simple, so you can manage both seamlessly. Each wallet supports sending and receiving Bitcoin transactions. If you want to receive Bitcoin and automatically convert it to your local currency, select Receive in the local currency wallet. If you prefer to hold Bitcoin, choose Receive in the BTC wallet. Similarly, when sending funds, you can choose the wallet you want to use. With Neutronpay, you can send and receive Bitcoin globally. Beyond Bitcoin transactions, Neutronpay is currently available in 8 countries, allowing for cross-border currency transfer between the nations. Every Lightning Network transaction is near instant with real-time currency conversion when needed and fees at just 1%. Here are two differences between local currency and BTC wallet. In local currency wallet, you can link it to your bank account to deposit or withdraw funds. Fiat deposit only available for users in Vietnam and Canada. In BTC wallet, in addition to regular Bitcoin transfer, Outsend Cash features allow direct transfer to bank account or mobile money to over 16 countries, with transactions completing instantly and currency conversion handled automatically. Now, let me show you how the transaction is done. I will use Neutronpay to receive VND from other wallets support Lightning Network. For now, we have a lot of wallets in the world using Lightning with over 500 million users. We just create a QR code with the amount I want. My friend or my client from other country can scan this code using their app to confirm the transfer. Instantly, the fund will arrive in VND, which I can withdraw to my linked bank account. Or convert to Bitcoin for saving. Neutronpay is an ideal global payment solution, offering everyone the freedom to transact effortlessly. Beyond being a payment app, it also provides a secure and seamless platform for holding and saving Bitcoin. By leveraging advanced technology, Neutronpay offers a convenient and affordable payment solutions. For SME businesses, Neutronpay also provides a POS feature to simplify transaction management. I will cover that in a separate video. This is a brief overview. Feel free to explore Neutronpay features in detail. If you have questions, visit our FAQ at faq.neutronpay.com or contact support at support@neutronpay.com. Thank you for choosing Neutronpay.